Hi guys, welcome to Sweet Meals for 5 with Irene Kanyolo. So guys, today I have an amazing recipe. So we are going to do bread toast with eggs. Welcome, and let's get to the kitchen and see the ingredients we are going to have for today's recipe. And these are ingredients. Here we have white bread slices, cooking oil, beaten eggs. So guys, let's start. You start by preheating your pan. As the pan preheats, we'll dip our slice in this milk, in this egg mixture like this. Then after that, then you'll place your slice on the pan. But then before you place your bread slice, you need to put a little bit of cooking oil like this. So the next thing is placing your slice like that, and then let it to cook. And make sure guys you cook it completely. It needs to be crunchy. When it's crunchy, it's when it is delicious. So let's do this, guys. So guys, as I cook, you need to be rating my food. You also need to comment down there. Tell us on how you usually toast your bread. How do you do it? So you do one side and you turn the other side and do it. If you want it not to be crunchy, you can eat it while it's not crunchy. But for me, I like it when it's crunchy. This is the simplest recipe for breakfast. When you are in a hurry and you are rushing to work, this is something you can do. If you love taking breakfast, if you love taking bread for breakfast, this is something you can do. Yes, look at it. Wow, very nice. So guys, let me cook. I'll show you the final outcome. Now this slice is ready. I can remove it and do another one. Look at it. It looks yummy. So guys, I'm through with cooking. Can you see my meat? It's ready. It looks yummy. Can't wait to eat it. So guys, if you know you have not subscribed to Sweet Meals for 5, kindly subscribe, like, share. So bye bye for now. Let me enjoy my meal. Meet you in the next episode.